What's up, my crypto legends? In today's episode, I'm going to show you the 2021 chart and the 2017 chart, and potentially we are not even close to the end of this bull market. We got the third ETF getting approved in Canada and potentially one approved in the United States. Guys, and if you're interested in trading, make sure to check out the PrimeXbt leverage trading platform. If you use my link in the description and you put Bitcoinsensus on the promo code, you can get 50% off. Once you click in the link, you come here to the website, you go to the top left on account and then to promo code, and here you just put Bitcoinsensus, accept, and then here you will have your promotion code, and then you can deposit and you'll be getting 50% in addition on top of that. So if you're depositing 1,000, you'll be getting $500 on top of that. And also we'll be checking out this Glassnode chart, the net realized profit and loss, and the OLB group enables crypto payments for thousands of US merchants. All of this in today's episode. If you're getting value out of this content, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe for coming updates. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Said this, let's go straight into the chart. Alright guys, first of all, I know a lot of you are going to say that past performance doesn't guarantee future results, but in the case of Bitcoin cycles and Bitcoin halvings, well, this actually rhymes. So I'm going to show you with this chart. And also we've got incredible news still coming for Bitcoin. We've got the third ETF getting approved in Canada, potentially an ETF getting approved in the United States, and many more news coming still for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So this is a nice healthy correction that is happening. I do not believe that the peak is here at the $58,000. I do believe potentially that we are going over the $100,000 before the end of the year, and potentially even for the summer. So let's take a look at this chart right here. Okay, this is the daily chart, and this is early 2020. And here you can see the Corona crash. And now from 2021, this line here is the 2017 all-time highs, and we broke out of it in December of 2020. Now, let's take a look at the difference in between these two corrections and in 2017, these two corrections right here. This is the 2014 all-time high, which is at around $1,160. So once we broke the all-time high here and we came to this first peak here and corrected, and the second peak and corrected, you can see the similarities that there is right here. But there is one thing. We have pumped from the 2017 all-time high, which is this pink line, all the way up here in about 67 days. And if we take a look at the 2017 chart, when we broke the 2014 all-time high here, we took about 150 days to this second peak. So this time we have done it much faster. The hype has been much faster. So it is about almost half of the time from the 2017 bull cycle. If this is 150 days and this one is 68 days, it is about half. So let's just say this is 70 days and this is about 100. It's about half of the time. So let's just imagine that this cycle might end even earlier than the 2017 cycle. So let's just go from this second peak over here up to the all-time high of 2017. It took about 105 days to arrive to the peak. Let's just speculate that it's going to take half of the time from that. So from 105 days, it might take 52 days or 53 days. Let's just say 60 days from this peak over here. And if we count 60 days, who knows where the peak is going to be? 100, 150. Let's just say 150 for the sake of it. 60 days. This means that the peak would end on the 20th of April of 2021. So guys, this is only speculation, but if this cycle is faster, there are some analysts that say that this bull market is going to end in early 2022. Some other analysts think that it's going to end in October 2021, and other ones think it's going to end much sooner than the summer, potentially in April. So if this cycle is faster, we could potentially see the peak in April of 2021. One other thing I want to point is that in the 2017 bull market, we did have over 5 corrections of over 30%. As you can see, this first one over here, once we broke all-time high, the first major one was over 38% correction. And this second one over here was over 39% of correction. Now we have 2 corrections since we broke all-time highs. The first one was not even 30% correction, and this one is being not even a 25% correction, guys, and people are already starting to freak out. Corrections are to buy. A lot of institutions, a lot of people are going to start buying around these levels, guys. So in my opinion, we're not even close to the end of this bull cycle. Tomorrow we'll be doing some technical analysis on Ethereum and some other altcoins to see if we can potentially find any trade opportunities. Let's take a look at this chart over here. The net realized profit and loss. As you can see, we are in negative right now. In total, we saw an on-chain net realized loss of $243 million yesterday. That is the lowest daily value since April 2020. This means that a lot of people must have bought around the $58, $56, even $52, $54,000 range, and they are panic selling right now. They've panic sold at $46, at $45,000, meaning they are selling with a loss. So the last time this happened was in April of 2020. This was a month after the Corona crash that the price of Bitcoin went round to the $4,000 range, dropping from $9,000 all the way down to $4,000, meaning that a lot of people panic sold and lost money. So if you would have bought around those areas, the price of Bitcoin went straight back up a few months after that. As you can see here in January, when we went to the $42,000, you can see this green peak here. Everybody in a profit, so this needs a correction. So when the price went all the way down to the $30,000 range just at the end of January, well, look at this, the net realized profit went all the way down here. So people need to lose money, people need to sell, or with a profit or with a loss, and this corrects. Normally when this corrects, then we are expecting a pump after this, because the market is having a healthy correction and now we are ready to go back up again. So do expect the Bitcoin price to have a bounce up very, very soon. Yes, we might dip to the $42,000, even $40,000 range, and I'm expecting the bottom to be very, very close. We are going to start going to the upside very, very soon, in my opinion. Let's take a look at this news. OLB Group enables crypto payments for thousands of US merchants. Small businesses can now accept cryptocurrency payments using OLB's point of sale technology. OLB Group, a New York-based e-commerce merchant service provider, is making it easy for businesses to accept cryptocurrency payments. OLB's more than 8,500 merchants are now able to accept Bitcoin, Ethereum, US dollar coin, and DAI at the point of sale through the company's Omnisoft business management platform. Customers wishing to pay the cryptocurrency in store or through their mobile phones can simply elect to do so with their cryptocurrency wallets. All payments are processed through SecurePay, a payment gateway that authenticates the transaction, converts the cryptocurrency to US dollars, and approves the final sale. The decision to integrate cryptocurrency payments was partly driven by the growth of contactless and online orders during the COVID-19 pandemic, with the Omnisoft platform already providing merchants with several points to facilitate payments. Cryptocurrencies were the next logical step. OLB's group CEO says the payment gateway and point of sale architecture are familiar territory for merchants, which makes integrating cryptocurrencies through such channel easy. The CEO says we anticipate that adoption will happen more quickly in higher ticket transactions such as jewelry, B2B billing, and real estate because the transaction fees for cryptocurrency processing are lower, often half typical credit card fees. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have struggled to become a viable medium of exchange, inviting criticism about their utility. Charlie Munger, the billionaire investor and Berkshire Hathaway vice chairman, recently criticized Bitcoin for being too volatile to serve well as a medium of exchange. With development work on scaling and sidechains still in progress, it remains to be seen where the crypto assets will function efficiently as payment systems. In the meantime, assets like Bitcoin and Ethereum are valued for their store of value and development capabilities. Great news to see OLB Group enabling cryptocurrency payments. This is another step for mass adoption. I still have friends and family asking me if they can actually buy something with Bitcoin. Well, no, because it's more like a store of value, just like gold. You don't go out with gold and pay for stuff. You change it for dollars and pounds. Well, with Bitcoin, it is the same. Guys, this is going to be it for today's episode. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy, how to store, and how to trade Bitcoin safely. We've got the latest news and technical analysis, so I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen the best tutorial of the Dudex leverage trading platform, I'll leave in a video popping up on your screen. Massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe for coming updates, and I'll see you in the next one.